Oh, what a pleasure it is. And the pleasure continues to lift. Oh, what a joy it is. And the joy continues to expand beyond its boundaries and its limits. It is always a pleasure and joy to be with you. And we always say so. This time, it's special. The many pleasures and the endless joys, ever lifting, ever expanding, never ceasing, become more this time. Become greater and grander. And so, yes, it is a pleasure to welcome you with ever-lifting joy and ever-lifting pleasure and never-ceasing joy to these days, to this quest, to this adventure, as you come together to awaken a grand and glorious matrix of magic that is called New York City, a grand and glorious matrix of magic. And in that mysterious and magical womb, you come to plant seeds, to plant your seeds individually and collectively in a world, a new world. Matrix, the word emanating out of the Latin languages, mater, mother, womb of creation, a matrix, components that come together to create in its way a cauldron, a womb. And that matrix of magic, mysterious and mystical and grand, to enter that matrix, the magicians that you are, to plant seeds in a new world. Your seeds personally, your seeds collectively. Yes, a pleasure to welcome you, a joy to welcome you. And we welcome each of you here in Newark. And we welcome each of you there, scattered about the world. Individually, we welcome you to this quest. But we also welcome you as a group, as a community. All of you who are here now, and all of you who are here in the future, as you come together in this moment, whether this moment be now or whether this moment be in the future, to create your own matrix of magic, a matrix of masterful map-making magicians, in which you can help yourself with the changes you desire for you and for those you love and care about, the changes you desire for the world. You can help yourself and you can help each other. You can help yourself and help each other become more, become new. And you can help the world become more and become new. You are the harbingers of a future. You are the sentinels of a world becoming new. And you are the champions of goodness and truth.